Parts, we talk to the customers, we do a little troubleshooting for their machines, we look at parts for their machines.
The parts department basically tries to serve the customers on a daily demand.
Primary goal is to get the customer on the phone, find out what he needs, get him off the phone so he can get back to work.
We keep thousands of parts on the shelf. We also have access to walk out to the machine anytime we need to really see that part on the machine, to try to help better understand, where that part is and what the customer's asking for when they call in.
Well, we get calls from all over the world, all over the United States.
Photos are great. I really like whenever our international folks send us a photo, because if I don't know what it is, I can find out what it is.
Our goal is to make sure that each customer that calls in is satisfied when we hang up the phone.
Oh, my favorite part? Probably curly cords, because everybody calls that such funny names.
I like talking to the customers and figuring out what they need. To me, it's kind of a puzzle. They don't know exactly what it is they want, and we figure it out together to be able to take care of them, get the parts out to them.
It's just nice to know that at the end of the day, you can go home and you've taken care of those customers, and they're getting their parts and they're going to have them the next day or whenever they've asked for them to be shipped.